How to install 3monkeez Pod Urinal. 3monkeez Pod Urinals are a great way to improve the finish of your public amenities project. They come in options of top inlet or rear inlet to ensure that they work for you. Start your installation by removing the dome grate. Clean around the underside of the dome grate and the recess on the pod urinal. Apply silicone and then push in firmly and tighten with the back nut. Measure and mark on your wall the installation height and position. 3monkeez recommends a height of 550mm from the floor to the front rim for a child and 610mm from the floor to the front rim for an adult. Once you've measured your height, take the brackets and fix them firmly to the wall. Take your pod urinal, rest them on the fixing brackets and mark your bottom fixing points. Remove your pod urinal and drill the fixing holes for your bottom fixing points. Apply silicone to the back rim of your pod urinal. Place on the wall brackets and push firmly against the wall. Using your pre-drilled fixing points, attach your urinal to the wall. If installing a rear inlet, install the flexi hooker to your flushing system now. Connect your waste to your approved plumbing. Turn on all water supplies and test for any leaks. Seal around the top and sides of your pod urinal with approved silicone and your job is done. We trust this installation video has answered all your questions. If you do have any more questions, contact our Wise Advice Centre or our customer care team. 3monkeez gives you the tools to make your job easier.